What it do, Jada Boo?
It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down.
What's up, my J Dolls and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So basically in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this icy blue color. So just stay tuned so you can see how to achieve this look. So basically what you want to do is heat up some water till it's boiling and then pour it into the bucket with your desired color. But right now I'm using the shimmer lights just to tone my wig. And now I'm just dipping the hair in the bucket with the shimmer lights, and I did this about 5 times because you don't want it to be too toned. And for some reason this part always makes me nervous, so that's another reason why, because I always think my hair is going to turn purple. And right here you can see that I switched over to the fork because I accidentally burnt myself. And like I said, I will link this 613 wig down below. It's from Amazon and it was very affordable for a 28-inch wig. And the color I used was a blue black so that it can turn out just a soft blue. So do not use too much of this product or your hair will be dark. So I just used like 5 drops of this. You're gonna see that some parts are not gonna get the color on it. So basically you're just gonna separate the hair and focus more on the middle. So now I'm about to install my hair like I normally do. I have a lot of videos on my channel if you want to see detailed installs. So yeah, you can check those videos out. And the lace was a little bulky in the front, as y'all can see, so I had to go in and pluck it. When I put my baby hairs down, you really couldn't tell that the lace was a little thick around the edges. Plus it's a 13x1 frontal, so of course I have no room to really pluck. And enough of me talking. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you with the finishing product.
trust.